Welcome to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get Jira board detail using REST API. I've already covered several videos on Jira REST API. If you want to do the configurations as well as creation of API ID or token, we can create it by watching my previous video. So if you can see here in authorization sections, I have provided my user credentials post creating Jira API, and once we will be successfully able to authorize, then we will be able to get details and even post detail through Postman. So we'll use here Postman to get Jira board details. So first of all, let's understand what is boards. So generally, when we are working into Agile, we will have some board where our team is working and collaborating together. So if you want to see the detail about our board, simply click here and this will navigate our board setting. So this is our board setting and you can find out the board name here. So generally for calling this detail using Postman, we need to have proper authorizations in Postman. Without that, we won't be able to proceed it. So we'll see here practically how we can get board detail of Jira using Postman, that is REST API call. So first we have to select the method. So generally when we are extracting the data, we have to just call or select get method, and this is our original link. So this detail we will get it from our this credentials. So here I copied and pasted this domain information, and post that we have to add REST. After that we have to add API and then 1.0, and post that we have to define board. So when we will give this much information and click on send, we will get the board related informations. So REST API 1.0 board, and here instead of API we have to select Agile and then click on set. So this is that we got all the board informations which is present in this credentials. So we can see here these are the board information. So we can see here the board ID, then the self detail, name, type, which is the board type, that is a Kanban, then location, project ID. So let's call some with ID. So let's say I'm calling with the ID, click on send, and we are getting the exactly same ID which we are looking for. So this will give the information about our board ID. So from here we will get the board ID, exactly same data is also available into Jira REST API. Let's say I want to see the type as well. So here I have to give the type. So type will be done this. Now we got the complete pad request detail. So here when we'll select this, we have this detail. Let me add this. We are not getting the exact type here. But if we want to see the complete board detail, we can see it here, or instead of type, let's see, we don't have anything. Now with the board informations and ID information, we'll get the detail. Here we can see project ID, display name, project key, everything is available here when we are selecting. Even if we want to set 3 or change the ID, then we'll get a different detail. So this is how we can call our Jira board related information through REST API. Hope this will be useful. If you think so, this is useful and this might help other, Don't forget to share within your circle. Thank you for watching.